Hi guys, I'm still working out a lot of computer issues trying to put out the last of my iSnap series, but I was able to finish this small AliExpress haul. Hope you enjoy! Hey everybody, hey NailTubers, welcome back to my channel. So what's going on is I'm getting a few things that I ordered back in January from AliExpress. I think I mentioned before in previous videos that I don't get things in big boxes, and I really love watching the hauls where they got all this stuff that they're unboxing, unbagging, unpacking, and showing. Well, my stuff doesn't come like that, and also I believe with all the things that are going on, so I've been patiently waiting. So what I decided to do is some stuff came like a couple of days apart, so I do have a few things to show. So I figured, hey, you know what? Why not? Let's do this. So one of the things that came is this glitter. I picked this glitter because two primary ones that are in here, they almost look the same. If I can get them open, let me do that off to the side because I'm looking like I got monster hands. So this is a holographic glitter. Two of them are really fine glitters. Oh, that's so pretty. And this one is even finer than that. So I don't even know if maybe it could even be used as a dust. So there's two. This is even finer, so it almost looks like a powder. Look at the hues in that. It's so cute, right? And I'm almost getting down. This came like 8 in a package. And they're all silver. I like holographic. I think a lot of people do. But these last two are really the ones that I really wanted. Like, let me put it up closer. These round ones, and there's different sizes in there. And then this shape. They're like the little vector stars. I think that is so cute. Look at how they're twinkling. I really like those. So I got those, and those came in. And then I got these packages of nail decorations. I cannot remember what company these came from. So I kind of cracked it open off camera because I was struggling with it a little bit. But isn't this cute? Open it up. I got a few of these to show you because there's a couple of them in different colors. So the little nail decorations, these bars. One of the things I was curious about is whether or not they were solid bars. And you know what? These are solid. So they feel like they're actually metal. Now, them being metal, when you put them on, you know how you don't polish over your stones? These you would polish over. You definitely would want to do that so that they don't, I don't know if they'll tarnish or not, but to prevent that from happening, you definitely want to polish over them. And these are, and hopefully you can see this. I'm trying to crack it open. Crack it open. Ah! These are triangles. I'm gonna try to isolate one right there. These are the triangles. Yeah, you could see it now. So those are really cute. And again, like I said, they're definitely metal. Got a couple of other shapes here. And these are some more silver bars. The difference between these and the ones I showed you a few moments ago is these are shorter. So like, you know, you could do a long one, a short one. And let me show you by comparison. So the ones on your left are longer and the ones on the right are shorter ones. I think these metal bars really dress up a nail really nicely. You know something I don't have? I don't have like the round studs. I have them in gold, but I don't have them in silver. I was reaching back trying to get this, and here are some gold ones. So here are some gold triangles. Maybe I don't have to open them, right? Because they could be like sealed in. But yeah, triangles. Pretty, very pretty. And just a couple more. So yeah, it's kind of like not being able to show everything that you've gotten. So I think there may be a different way, because my stuff comes in like one bag. As a matter of fact, you know what I meant to mention or ask? How do you get your order when you get them? Like me and my brother have been kind of tripping because things have been coming in the regular mail system with another, like in the mailbox with the mail envelopes. Like this stuff came in the mailbox with the mail envelopes, not packaged in a box, and then, you know, these items and that items, and they're all stacked in a box. They've actually been coming by way of mail, which I'm not complaining about. You know why? Because then people don't know what you're getting. They don't see these shipments coming to your house all the time. So, so these are the long gold bars. I'm glad I got these. I've been wanting these. There I go, tap, 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 tap. Just like I did in my Amazon haul. And then I have one last one, which I really like. And this, I'm disappointed because I wasn't sure about this. So I only ordered one, and I really now wished that I ordered two. So the next time I decide to place an order, I'm going to get some more of these, but not right away. These are the long bars too, but these are rose gold. See the difference? So there's the gold and there's the rose gold. I really wish I had ordered some more rose gold. I like that. And I wish I had ordered the rose gold in the other shapes too. So now I know. But you know what? It always takes that one time for you to get stuff and then determine if you like it or if you want it again. So I guess I was just playing it safe. Oh, and then here's one I almost forgot. So this is another one, the gold bars, but remember how I showed you I had the silver one in long and short, so I had the long gold ones, and these are the short gold ones. Can come up with so many ideas for this. And then we're gonna get into some real cute fun nail decorations. So I got these, and let me make sure it'll focus. Yeah, it's focusing. Aren't they pretty? Like I said before, I like anything AB. They almost look like earrings. So cute. So it's a dangling heart. It's a ribbon with a stone in the middle of it. Oh, so cute. So cute. Pew. Pew. Then I got these, and as you see, I'm gonna put them up so you could guys so you could see them up close. They're little guns. They're little guns. This is my protection. You come up on my property, baby, there's some things gonna be going down. Yeah. Little guns. Only thing is they're revolvers. Who has those anymore? Like, does anybody even use those type of guns? I think everybody has like semi-automatics now. What is that all about? That's what I really wanted. But they're cute though, right? And then since I got those, and of course they also came in gold. I'm just gonna be a little Annie Oakley, right? Aren't they cute? So cute. So listen, usually in real life, I'm typically freaked out by stuff like this because I'm not into creepy crawly stuff. I'm not a scary girl, trust me. I just ain't into nothing creepy crawly, especially if they're hairy. But I just thought these were so cute. I don't know. I'll have to see if I can stand to wear these on some nails. Look at them. I can't remember who it is, made nail decorations by hand for Halloween, right? But look at them. They are so cute though. They really made them look all dainty. Maybe I'll be able to wear them. They're not bothering me right now, but typically in real life, oh no. No, no, no. You can't get nothing close to me with all them legs. But here, they're so cute. Here's something else that caught my eye. I just thought they were so adorable. It may be kind of hard to tell what they are. Let me get them real close for you. But they're little bags, and they actually, I'm waiting for it to focus. They almost look like little Chanel bags. Almost. The little emblem on the front is just 2 circles. It's not 2 C's, it's 2 circles. But I just thought they were adorable. Don't you? Now this is also something that I wish I had gotten a few more of. Aren't those cute? I like the ones that wrap around the nail, you know what I mean? Like the kind that go around, like it's a ring going around your fingernail. But these are just as cute to me. Little rings. Ah, so cute. I really wish I had gotten some more of these. Okay, this next one I got just because I just thought they were so cute, right? This is more for the young at heart, but look at these. I know I'll still find someone who likes them. I'll find a use for them. I'm sure I will wear them. They're little headphones. Little headphones. Aren't those just adorable? When I was young, I did the headphone thing, so I'm like, I can be totally into this too. And then I got lipstick hunty. Okay, I got some lipstick. These are just too cute. I'm gonna have to do some nails with some lips. Oh, did I do the lips? I didn't. So instead of taking them out, because you'll be able to see. Now how do you think that would be, huh? Do some lips and lipstick. It's gonna be hot. That's pretty much me having fun and being silly, doing this haul video for you to enjoy amidst all the technical issues I've been faced with. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to this channel because there's going to be even more to come.